going, guys? I'm Ryan from WABAM. Today we're at SEMA Day 1. We got this beautiful Ford tractor, 1948, twin turbo. WABAM Cleaning Products. We have premium line of cleaning products, anything from interior, exterior ceramics. Basically, it's one try and you'll see why people love it. So let's take a look at what we got here. We got wet wipes down here. So industrial grade wet wipes. They are awesome when you're on a job site. Pull a wet wipe out, clean your hands when you don't have water. It's the best thing. We got shop towels. Really good, high absorbency. Very strong, made in the USA. We're a big made in the USA brand. Everything here at our rack is made in the USA. We have shine. If you want to protect it, bring it back to black. Shine is your baby, mud repellent. We have quick detailers, interior cleaners, leather conditioners, water spout removers for the marine world. Love it. But here, check out this Ford tractor right here, 1948, like I said. So yeah, we're coming out of Wisconsin. We have 400 resellers. We'd love to have more. So check us out on our socials, Instagram, Facebook. We're Get WABAM, and enjoy SEMA.